Hi, this is Marika, and this is the CATS 10-second tip. Something that I find really useful in therapy to help expand a child's sentence is to use a pacing board. A pacing board is a way to visually show a child or an adult what they are supposed to do. So if they use a single word, if they say cow, you go big cow. So that shows the child that there's something else to say. Now, if they say big cow, we can flip it around and go, see big cow. And that's a way to expand a sentence. It really helps to make a person more aware that they're supposed to do something else, but also there's no pressure to have to say something. It is really handy to just show there is something else that you can say. And if you say it, hooray! So let us know what you think of our tips. And if you have any other tips or tricks that you find useful, please add it in the comments. Thank you.